Indigo Paints Ltd, a decorative paints manufacturer. The company was incorporated in the year 2000 and got listed on NSE and BSE in 2021. They are based in Pune, with more than 750 employees and 650 workers. They have 5 manufacturing plants located in Jodhpur, Cochin, and Pudukottai, and 2 new additional plants are coming at Jodhpur. The market cap of the company is 6,586 crore rupees, and currently trading at 1,383 rupees per share. The company has a 20% CAGR for 3-year sales growth and 28% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. The company is 100% debt-free. Company manufactures cement paints, primers, putty, interior emulsions, exterior emulsions, and distempers, and market these products under its well-known brand, Indigo. Company products can be classified as liquid-based and powder-based. The production capacity of liquid-based products is 1,60,000 kiloliters per annum and 1,38,000 metric tons per annum for powder-based products. The new upcoming plants will increase the production capacity by fiscal year 2025. In April 2023, company acquired 51% stakes in Apple Chemie India, which provides waterproofing solutions. Company has reputed clients like Larsen & Toubro and Shipurji Pallonji Group, and has generated revenue of Rs 41.7 crores in fiscal year 2023, which is expected to increase by 50% in fiscal year 2024. The sales of the company for the last 4 years have been consistently growing. The profits of the company are also increasing from year to year. There has been no drop in the promoters' holding in the last 4 quarters. We can see some foreign and domestic investments in the company. The company is giving good dividends every year. A dividend of 3 rupees and 50 paise per share was paid in fiscal year 2023. Coming to some key highlights. Company is the 5th largest paint company in India. They are first to introduce innovative product like metallic emulsions. Company is setting up 2 new manufacturing plants in Jodhpur, which is expected to be completed by the end of fiscal year 2025. In April 2023, company acquired 51% stakes in Apple Chemie India to foray into waterproofing segment. Company has 53 depots and more than 18,000 active dealers. Company expects to continue to grow its revenue at 3 to 4 times of industry growth. Currently, they export to only one country, with a revenue concentration of 0.3% from exports and 99.7% from domestic. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.